So on this one right here, so I'm trying to fix my
Mistake.
mistake. Yes, my mistake. So I'm fixing the notes right here. So all right. So I have a lot of witnesses to watch my calculus. You know, just in case I make another mistake. Okay. So now, formula right here is going to be from. I know what it was because I was using black, not red. That happens all the time. Okay. So, all right. I have from 1 to 8 square root of 1 plus. Now, f prime of x is going to be the derivative of this.
2/3 x.
Yeah, so it's 2/3 x to the negative 1/3. Okay, so I get that right there. How did you start out? I don't know. Someone uppity? Someone got all mad? Alright, so right here, you know I'm kind of recording my lesson right now. Can you give me a minute?
No.
Here, just give me a minute. Let me finish this, okay? All right. So right here we have 2/3 x to the negative 1/3 squared, and this is my dx. So we're gonna go through and try to expand this a bit. So when I square this, it's gonna become square root 1 plus 4/9 x to the negative 2/3. That's again my dx from 1 to 8. And I'm going to go ahead and try to common denominator this. So I'm going to clean it up, common denominator. So it's going to give me, let me see, rewrite it. So it's going to be 1 plus 4/9x to the positive 2/3 right there. And so all this is still inside my radical. So I'm going to clean this up. Common denominator, so I'm going to get 9x to the 2/3 plus 4 all over 9x to the 2/3. So this is my new radical here, and this is my dx again. Keep bringing this down. Okay, so I'm gonna take this over and I'm going to break it down again. So I'm going to take it to a new slide. So again, 1 to 8. Separate 9x to the 2/3 plus 4/9x to the 2/3. And so since I have a perfect square in the bottom, I'm going to turn this into square root of 9x to the 2/3 plus 4/3x to the 1/3 dx integration from 1 to 8. So I'm going to u sub because my inside of my radical is kind of a mess. So I say that 9x 2/3 plus 4 is equal to my u. So my du is equal to, let me see. So that goes out. So 9, so that should be a 6. There we go. X to the negative 1/3. And that's going to be my dx, negative 1/3. Okay, so for this one right here, now I on this part right now, I know it's already here. So this is the part that I kind of make a mistake on because that's 6. But then it's...
Why can't we finish this problem?
Alright, I'm trying really hard to actually finish this problem now. Really, really hard to finish this problem, okay? Really, really hard. So from right here, I'm going to mess up my left side of this. I'm going to mess this up. So this x to the positive 1/3 on the bottom is going to move to what?
Negative 1/3 on the top.
Negative 1/3 on the top. Thank you. All right, good job. So it's still from 1 to 8. I have x negative 1/3. Okay, my radical of 9x squared 2/3 plus 4. And that's my dx, but it's still all over going to be 3 now, right?
Yeah.
Yes. All right. So because of that, we're going to make this a little bit easier. So I know what x to the negative 1/3 should be replaced with. So I'm replacing my dx. Let's take care of that 6 also. So the dx will replace dx and my x to the negative 1/3. dx is going to be replaced with 1/6 du. So I'm going to replace that, so it's going to end up becoming u. All this right here is going to be my u. So it's u to the 1/2 over 3. So that's all this that I have right here. And I'm replacing the x to 1/3, the negative 1/3, and the dx with just 1/6 du. And that's going to be from, now, we're going to change the bounds now. We're going to change the bounds. So I'm going to sub it in so I could actually, I don't have to put it back when I'm done. So I'm going to go this. So 1. So I'm going to replace 1 right here. So that's going to be my new bound. So it's going to be 1 to the 2/3 is 9 plus 4 is 13. And my upper bound of 8. So 8. Cube root of 8 is 2. 2 squared is 4. Times 9 is 36. Plus 4 is 40. So now I don't have to worry about subbing it back in. So I now cleaned it up all nice and pretty. So I'm going to move that 1/18. The 3 times the 6 is 18. So it's going to be 1/18 integration from 13 to 4d of u to the 1/2 over 3 du. Whew, man. Insert page after. So 1/18. So 1/8 u 1/2.
13, 40.
Oh yeah, sorry. 13 and 40 u over 1, right?
Yeah.
U over 1 du. Okay, so now I could actually go ahead and take the integration of this. So it's 1/18 times integration, which is going to be u to the 3 over 2. And then do my exponent, so that'd be 2 over 3. 2, 3 from 13 to 40. So top. Okay, so this one's going to be quite ugly. This is very ugly. I don't know why. Okay, so now if I go ahead and plug this back in, this is going to be basically what I'm going to come up with. So I'm going to come up with a decimal approximation on this. I know, because it's not going to come out very well. So it's going to be 1/18 bracket 240 to the 3/2 over 3 minus 2 to the times 13 to the 3/2 over 3. So I'm going to come up with a nice, neat number approximation, and this is the arc length of my function that I had. So thank you, the guy up front. So we're going to get a boot.
Right about 1.813.
1.813. So it's going to be about 1.813. Those are my units.
Oh,
And
actually, let me multiply that by 118.
oh, you didn't do that one?
I didn't multiply by 118.
You did not.
Now it should be 0.101.
0.101.
Yeah.
All right, let me check your calculator real quick. Should be 3/2.
3/2.
Yeah, remember? The exponent's 3/2.
Oh, I said 1/2, huh?
Yeah.
Oops.
So no worries. I will fix that right now. $7.634. So I get 7.634, and that's going to be the length of my unit, or length from my arc from here to right there. Okay, so I finished up this problem. I'm sorry it took so long. Okay, I will work on it more again. This is the part we actually have to do. Not the arc link. We need to do surface right here. I'll do this one again later. Okay, don't forget, like, subscribe. I'll leave you off with that one right there.